Welcome to the YouTube channel. Today we will learn class 8th chemistry chapter sulfur, and this is part 1. As this is new chapter of chemistry, we will start from basics and learn many more new things. So sulfur, as we all know, the common thing that the symbol of sulfur symbol is S. Sulfur is the means sulfur atomic number is atomic number is 16. Mass number is 32. Valency of sulfur is 2. Like this, and it is the member of 6th A group, 16 third period. The electronic configuration of sulfur is 2, 8, 6. Like this, these are the basics of sulfur. Sulfur can be introduced as a yellow non-metallic element which decides the prosperity of a country, as it is used to make the most important chemical, sulfuric acid H2SO4, called king of chemicals. But sulfur is one of the old chemical companions of man. During the Vedic age, it was familiar as Gandhaka. Familiar as Gandhaka in Vedic age. In Vedic age, after that interestingly, sulfur has its name derived from Sanskrit. Sulfur has the properties to react with copper, and hence it is called sulvari in Sanskrit, meaning enemy of copper. Next name is sulvari, enemy of copper. After that, the Romans modified this to sulfurium. There is a reference of sulfur in the Bible. It is referred to as brimstone in the Bible, meaning burning stone. The third one is named like brimstone, meaning in Bible it means burning stone. like this. Burning stone. The Aryans, Romans, and Greeks used it for fumigation. Fumigation means it is a process where toxic gases are used for killing pests, cleansing, bleaching, and in medicine this was used. Ayurveda used it as a medicine to treat skin diseases. You might have seen a familiar scene where a powder is sprinkled on burning coal in households, places of worship, to create a pleasant environment. One of the components of this powder consists of sulfur. Use of sulfur as gunpowder, comprising of sulfur, charcoal, and nitrate, was also known from a long time. In the medieval period, Priestley was the first scientist to obtain sulfur from concentrated sulfuric acid in 1774. After that, this was followed by Lavoisier's recognition of the elementary nature of sulfur. Next is occurrence of sulfur. First point, it is the 15th most abundant element in the Earth's crust. Second point, percentage of sulfur in the Earth's crust is 0.03 percentage. Third point, it occurs both in free as well as in combined state. Next topic is in free state and in combined state. So, sulfur is found in two states. First is free state, combined state. After this, in free state, first we'll focus on free state. In Earth's crust and near active or dormant volcanoes of Sicily, Mexico, and Japan. These are in free state. Sulfur is also found in small quantities in coal, crude oil, and natural gas. Major source of sulfur. Totally more than half of the sulfur comes from sulfur compounds present in oil and natural gas. The sulfur compounds in oil and natural gas are converted to hydrogen by sulfides. 99% pure sulfur is then obtained from H2S by the process of clay conversion. In India, sulfur is found in free state in Kangra district of Himachal Pradesh. Second method, that is combined state. So it's found in two steps. First as sulfates, second as sulfides. In as sulfates, it is found in Epsom salt, that is hydrated magnesium sulfate MgSO4 .7H2O. Next, gypsum in hydrated calcium sulfate CaSO4 .2H2O. After that, anhydrate, that is calcium sulfate CaSO4. Then sodium sulfate, that is Na2SO4. Last one is barite, that is barium sulfate, BaSO4. Next is as sulfides. So as sulfides, first is copper pyrite, that is copper iron sulfide, CuFeS2. Next is cinnabar, that is mercuric sulfide, HgS. Next is galena, that is lead sulfide, PbS. Next is iron pyrites, that is iron disulfide, FeS2. And then last one is zinc blend, that is zinc sulfide, ZnS. The most abundant of all sulfur minerals is iron pyrites, FeS2. I hope you have understood till this part. In part 2 of chapter sulfur, we will learn extraterrestrial presence of sulfur, then association of sulfur with life, then Hermann Frasch, a crazy miner. Then we will learn extraction of sulfur by two processes. I hope you have understood this part. For any queries and doubt, you can join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. Like, this is the foundation of class 8. We've covered the foundation of class 7th too. The links are given in the description. Please go and check through it. I hope you have understood till this. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Let's meet in part 2. Thank you.